When you use the wooden cabinets, are you worried about the absorbing water of the wooden panels? If it's stainless steel panels, please don't worry about it. You see? The water just flows down as door panels. The door panels don't absorb any of the water. Just wipe out. You see, it's still very clear, very bright. It's dry so easily. Don't blink your eyes. I'm doing magic now. It's on fire now. You see, so big fire. But don't worry about it. It's not dangerous because you use the stainless steel panels. You see, it's still so perfect of our door panels. No any damage. And the back side will tell you the reasons. Because we made the door panels with 304 food grade stainless steel. I will take down these door panels in 2 seconds. You see? And I will take it back in 2 seconds too. So it's so easy to make assembling, but it's very, very strong. You see? Please don't worry about me. I'm very safe. Ta-da!